Hi guys, so here are your directions for the erosion and weathering experiment. I'm just going to make a quick video to show you how to do it and also the materials you will need to complete the project. So I'm going to show you the materials to complete the project. So here we go. And I uploaded this for you so you can print it out and look at it on your computer too. So first off, plastic cups. So these can be anything. This is a little plastic IKEA cup. Here's a ricotta cup, cottage cheese, yogurt, anything plastic. Plastic's best because we're molding things in here, and when they dry, we need to be able to flip it over, and you might have to squeeze it. So it needs to be something that's squeezy and kind of malleable. So then we need dirt. This is some kind of potting soil, and I already have this around my house. You can use potting soil, or you can get dirt from a flower bed outside your flat or wherever you live. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be fancy. It just needs to be dirt. So, and then this one might be hard for you guys to get. This is sand. And I got this at the gardening store that's open by my house. Please try and get this, but I understand if right now with all the stores, with all the stores being closed, if you can't get it. So we have that. And then grass. So I'm sitting out in my yard right now. And so I have access to a lot of grass. If you don't have grass at your house, just go to the park. And I filled up about a cupful. I don't know how many ounces that is, or grams, sorry. But you just need some of that. And then you need water. I did this outside, so I used my water pitcher to collect water. And then you need something also to stir the dirt and water together. So I used a big kitchen spoon. You could also use a shovel. Hi guys, so I'm ready to start making my experiment. So let's get started. I have my materials gathered up. So I filled this container up with sand, and it's already kind of wet from being in the bag. But I'll pour a little more water in there. See, I have my pitcher of water. Put that in there. Put it aside. And next, so this one was my sand, and this one's gonna be my dirt. I'm using potting soil I got. I already had that already, so here's my shovel. Fill it up. I hope you're doing this outside, or you're being super careful inside your house. So I filled up my dirt cup. I'm gonna put some water in it. Let's see. Let's see. Kind of mushing in the water. I think I need more water. Ooh, now I can stir it. Ooh, look at that mud. I'm stirring it. So this is super muddy. You know what? Because this is super gloppy, I don't know, super soupy. I'm gonna go ahead and add my grass to this. This is probably gonna be a huge mess. Okay, kind of like when you're working muesli into yogurt. It's kind of a mess. Put some more in there. Ah, the instruction sheet. Get out of here. Okay. So I'm working in the grass. Some more grass. Use my fingers a little. Since I'm outside, dug out a little more grass. Geez, I hope I put enough grass in there. Okay, so See, it's like super watery, gunky. So I'll put that one aside. So that one's my topsoil or just my regular dirt. So I made that one. It's ready to go. Wiping my hands off in the grass. So then I'm gonna make my just dirt one. I'm gonna take my cup and scoop out the dirt. And if you're not using potting soil, that's okay. You can just take your shovel and put it in there. Okay, fill it up, do. We'll see if he comes closer, but my cat Kava's lurking around. Kava, what you doing? Come here. Look, hi Kava. Hi Square students. It's me, Kava. Move it. So I'm pouring water into my topsoil dirt. Let it work down a little bit. Put some more water in there. Some more. See, maybe I can give it a stir. You want to stir this or combine it really well so there's no dry parts, because what we're doing here is we're making this mud so that it'll eventually harden, dry out again, but it'll all be formed into one solid piece. So we're going to pretend that these are a landform, like a little mud mountain, dirt mountain. And then, you know, we have our sand for a sand dune kind of thing. We want it to be solid. And that's also why I'm asking you to do it before our class on Thursday, so it has time to set up and properly all dry out. So this one actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna tap it down. And next, I'm gonna move these to a window sill in my house so it'll be protected from the rain if it rains before Thursday. But put it in a sunny, dry place so the water will all evaporate and I'll have little mud mountains. So, can't wait to do this experiment with you guys. See you later. Bye.